Home remedies for cough variant asthma. Cough variant asthma, CVA, is a milder form of asthma. Children are more likely than adults to have this type of asthma. Cough variant asthma doesn't have typical asthma symptoms. CVA is mainly associated with one symptom, a chronic cough that is usually dry and unproductive, which may be worse at night. This cough lasts at least 6 to 8 weeks. Due to extensive coughing, there can be increased inflammation in the airways. However, the risk of severe airway narrowing is lower with this type of asthma. Dry and unproductive coughing can cause sleep disruption, exhaustion, cracked or fractured ribs, vomiting, and lightheadedness. Just like standard chronic asthma, experts are still not sure what causes CVA. However, experts believe that allergens like pollen may cause coughing. Another possible reason may be an infection in the respiratory system that ultimately triggers coughing episodes. In some people, CVA may even be associated with taking beta blockers, which are used to treat conditions like heart disease, heart failure, migraines, hypertension and abnormal heart rhythms. People who have another allergic condition, regular asthma or a relative with asthma are at a higher risk for cough variant asthma. Other risk factors include being overweight, smoking, exposure to secondhand smoke, and exposure to environmental or occupational irritants. If cough variant asthma is not treated and managed properly, it may progress into classic asthma. According to a study published in Current Respiratory Medicine Reviews in 2011, 30 to 40% of adult patients with CVA, unless adequately treated, may progress to classic asthma. Treatment for cough variant asthma is not difficult if the problem is diagnosed timely. Many simple and effective home remedies can provide relief from the dry cough and bring comfort. Here are the top 5 home remedies for cough variant asthma. 1. Salt water. 1. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of warm water. 2. Stir it until the salt mixes in properly. 3. Gargle with this water 2 or 3 times a day. 2. Oregano. Drink 2 to 3 cups of oregano tea daily. To make the tea, steep 3 teaspoons of oregano in 1 cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it, add honey to taste and drink it. Alternatively, consume 1 tablespoon of juice extracted from fresh oregano leaves a few times a day. 3. Honey. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey to a glass of warm water or milk and drink it slowly. Repeat a few times a day. This drink will have a soothing effect on the throat. Alternatively, mix equal quantities of honey, ginger juice, and pomegranate juice. Consume 1 tablespoon of this mixture 2 or 3 times a day. Before going to bed, consume 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw honey with a little cinnamon powder. 4. Ginger. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring it to a boil. Drink it 3 or 4 times a day. Another option is to chew fresh raw ginger on and off throughout the day. 5. Lemon. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. Another way to use lemons is to drink hot lemonade a few times a day.